Hello students, please subscribe the channel, drop a like, share and comment. After completion of N hook and F or V hook, आज हम करेंगे halving principle with these hooks. Okay, with final hooks. Let's start. A finally hooked stroke is halved to indicate a following T or D. ठीक है, किसके लिए हाफ होता है? आने वाले आगे नेक्स्ट आने वाली टी और डी साउंड के लिए हाफ होता है. क्या हाफ होगा? हुक हाफ नहीं होगा, स्ट्रोक हाफ होगा. एज इन फाइंड, एफ half for the sake of D with final N hook above the line with I diphthong on the first place of F after it. Same outline on the line for found here. F halved for the sake of D with N hook. I diphthong on the third place of F after it. Event. We halved here for T and with N hook and light dot on the second place of V before and after it. Meant or mend. ठीक है. M half here with N hook on the line with a light dot on the second place of M after it. Demand. D on the line, full outline. M halved with N hook for the sake of another D. Light dot on the second place of D after it. Light dot on the first place of M after it. Mind. M halved for the sake of D with N hook above the line. I diphthong on the first place of M after it. Amount. Same outline है above the line. Only क्या? Light dot on the first place of M before it and out diphthong on the third place of M after it. Movement. M full outline on the line. M halved here for the sake of T with N hook and a heavy dash on the second place of first M after it and light dot on the second place of second M after it. Next is statement. ST loop with the T. State. M halved here for last T with the final hook N. Heavy dot on the second place of T before it. Light dot on the second place of M after it. Payment. P full outline. M halved here for the sake of T with final and hook. Heavy dot on the second place of P after it. Light dot on the second place of M after it. Movement. M stroke above the line से start करते हुए V through the line. M half here for the sake of T with N final hook. Heavy dash on the third place of V before it. Light dot on the second place of M after it. Settlement. S circle within tull. T with L hook. Full outline on the line and M halved here with N hook. Light dot on the second place of T before it. Light dot on the second place of M after it on the line. Shipment. Ish through the line, P through the line, M halved here for the sake of T with the final N hook. Light dot on the third place of P before it. Light dot on the second place of M after it. Friend. F halved here with R hook with final N hook on the line. Light dot on the second place of reverse F after it. Alternative F is used here. Next, same outline for front. Only क्या? Light dash on the second place of reverse F after it. Department. D on the line. Depart. Per. P with R hook halved here and M with N hook halved here. Light dot on the second place of D after it. Light circle dot जो हमने पढ़ा है on the first place of per after it and light dot on the second place of M after it. Land. Upward L halved here with N hook above the line. Light dot on the first place of L after it. Around. Downward R halved here with N hook above the line. Light dot on the first place of downward R before it and out diphthong after it on the third place. Next is opened. P halved here for the sake of D with final N hook. heavy dash on the second place of P before it, and light dot on the second place of P after it. Band, B halved here with N hook above the line, light dot on the first place of B after it. Print, P halved here with R hook with N hook on the line, light dot on the third place of P after it. Plant or planned, same outline रहेगी. P with L hook and final N hook above the line, light dot on the first place of P after it. Spent or spend, same outline रहेगी. S circle P halved here with final N hook on the line, light dot on the second place of P after it. Point, P halved here with final N hook above the line. Oi diphthong is used here on the first place of P after it. Next, pound, same outline on the line, only kya ow diphthong on the third place of P after it. Bound, B halved here with final N hook on the line, ow diphthong on the third place of B after it. Attend, T is halved here for the sake of D with final N hook, light dot on the first place of T before it, light dot on the second place of T after it. Extent or extend, K stroke S circle T halved here for the sake of T in the extent, and for halved here for D in extend. Okay, on the line finishes it. Light dot on the light dot on the second place of K before it, and light dot on the second place of T after it. Instant, and stroke S circle T halved with final N hook on the line, light dot on the third place of N before it, light dot on the first place of T after it. Assistant, S stroke above the line, S circle T halved here for the sake of T with final N, light dot on the first place of S stroke before it, light dot on the third place of S stroke after it, on the third place of S stroke after it, and light dot on the first place of T after it. Next is stand, S circle T halved here with final N hook above the line, light dot on the first place of T after it. President, P with R hook, P with R hook with S circle on the line, D halved here with final N hook. A light dot on the second place of P after it, light dot on the third place of D before it, light dot on the second place of D after it. Kind, K halved here with N hook above the line, I diphthong on the first place of K after it. Count, same outline on the line, only kya ow diphthong is used here on the third place of K after it. Account, K halved here with N hook above the line, light dot on the first place of K before it, out diphthong on the third place of K after it. Discount, D through the line, S circle K halved with final N hook, light dot on the third place of D after it, and out diphthong on the third place of K after it. Second, S circle K halved with N hook on the line, light dot on the second place of K before it, light dash on the second place of K after it. Grand, G halved here above the line with R hook with N hook, light dot on the first place of G after it. Inclined, N stroke K with L hook with N hook halved here, light dot on the third place of N before it, I diphthong is used here on the first place of K after it. Went, way on the line, halved here with the final N hook, light dot on the second place of way after it. Same outline above the line for the sake of want, only kya light dash on the first place of way after it. Turned, T full stroke on the line, upward R halved here with final N hook, and light dash on the second place of T after it. Current, K full outline, upward R halved here with final N hook, light dash on the second place of K after it, light dot on the second place of upward R after it. Round, on the line से start करते हुए upward R with halved here and N hook and out diphthong on the third place of upward R after it. Returned. Upward R, T on the line, upward R halved here with final hook. Light dot on the second place of upward R after it. Light dash on the second place of T after it. Next is approved. P halved here with R hook with V hook above the line. Light dot on the first place of P before it. Heavy dash on the third place of P after it. Gift. G halved here with F hook on the line. Light dot on the third place of G after it. Served. S circle on the line से start करते हुए upward R halved with V hook and light dot on the second place of upward R before it. Draft. D halved here with R hook with F hook above the line. Light dot on the first place of D after it. Achieved. J halved with V hook. Light dot on the first place of J before it. Heavy dot on the third place of J after it. Whole outline above the line. Deserved. D on the line, full outline, S circle, upward R halved here with V hook and light dot on the second place of D after it. Light dot on the second place of upward R before it. Reserved. Upward R full outline with S circle, another upward R halved here for the sake of D with V hook. Light dot on the second place of upward R after it and light dot on the second place of second upward R before it. Observed. B stroke above the line, S circle, R upward R halved here with V hook. Heavy dash on the first place of B before it. Light dot on the second place of upward R before it. Next is short forms. J halved with N hook above the line is used here for gentleman. Same outline on the line for gentlemen. K halved here with N hook above the line for cannot. T with L hook on the line halved is used here for told. T with R hook halved above the line is used here for tried. Same outline on the line is used here for trade or toward. It halved here with R hook on the line for third. These are the phrases had not or do not. ठीक है. Above the line D halved with N hook for the sake of had not or do not. Same outline on the line for did not. If it is necessary to indicate in your shortened notes that a longhand abbreviation is to be used, write a fully vocalized outline for the abbreviation. जैसे कि आपको नेसेसिटी लगे कि हमको इसको पूरा आउटलाइन बनाना है, जैसे hadn't, ठीक है, तो had not अलग होता है. अगर आपको hadn't बनाना है तो आप उस एब्रीविएशन को पूरा जैसा वो बोला जा रहा है, जैसा उसका साउंड आ रहा है, वैसा बनाएंगे. कैसा? upward H above the line, D halved with N hook, light dot on the first place of upward H after it. For hadn't. Don't. D halved with N hook above the line and a heavy dash on the second place of D after it. Same outline on the line for didn't, light dot on the third place of D after it. Doesn't. D full outline is used here with S circle with N half. Light dash on the second place of D after it on the line. Full outline on the line. Haven't. H upward is used here above the line. V halved with N hook is used here. Light dot on the first place of upward H after it. Won't. Way halved here with N hook on the line. Heavy dash on the second place of way after it. Isn't. SZ बनेगा. Z halved with N hook on the line. Light dot on the third place of Z after it. Couldn't. K full outline. D halved with N hook finishes on the line. Light dash on the third place of D before it. Can't. K halved with N hook above the line. Light dot on the first place of K after it. Note. If there are separate words are there, as in can, not, तो वी कैन यूज कैन एंड नॉट एज अ सेपरेट आउटलाइन। ओके, क्लियर है? आप लोगों को कोई भी परेशानी हो, कुछ भी पूछना हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, इससे रिलेटेड एक्सरसाइजेज आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलेंगी। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू।